Bullish Cyclone Money cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $18.28 and $34.53 by 2030. Market investigators accept Torn could reach $14.22 by 2025. Bearish Cyclone Money market cost expectation for 2023 is $3.25. Cyclone Money presentation. The blockchain record, which contains the record of the multitude of exchanges that have at any point been directed on an organization, is one of the huge elements of a digital currency resource and is noticeable to each blockchain client. Starting from the production of the blockchain, it has been showcased as private and unknown. The peculiarity cannot be applied in that frame of mind, as wallet tends to under pseudonymous names can in any case be followed back to the proprietors in the event of an examination. As per examination into the reasonability of the protection component of Bitcoin, discoveries showed that even in computerized coins explicitly intended to further develop secrecy and security, it is as yet conceivable to follow assets as it is moved to new holders. Furthermore, at times, to de-anonymize the clients altogether. As such, in the event that hints are left over to match one's personality to a wallet address, clients' crypto resources can be followed by others or firms. Security coins like Zcash or Monero are one method for keeping the hidden element of the digital money alive through keeping up with encryption. Notwithstanding, with such countless supports previously contributed across the market, there are improved answers for guarantee online exchanges stay secure and private, like Cyclone Money. In this aid, we will assess the Twister Money organization and the mining highlights that drive the Cyclone Money cost increment and the ascent in exchanging volume. We will likewise talk about the cost expectation conjecture that features the normal least cost esteem, normal exchanging cost, and most extreme cost esteem. What is Cyclone Money? Cyclone Money is a non-custodial and permissionless security answer for the Ethereum blockchain worked with ZK-SNARK's innovation. The convention empowers the clients to break a connection and unfasten movement to further develop exchange protection between the beneficiary and objective location. Being a complicated symbolic blender, Cyclone Money carries out the utilization of brilliant agreements that help stores made in Ether that are then removed to other agreement addresses. Following the first source's personality is troublesome since the said withdrawal is produced using the liquidity pools of the undertaking's brilliant agreement. Cyclone Money creates a mystery hash each time an organization client stores resources for the convention. Through a cycle known as responsibility, Torn brilliant agreements acknowledge the store alongside the hash. The reason for the responsibility is to recognize the first shipper and demonstrate during the withdrawal interaction that the client, guaranteeing the resource, without a doubt claims the resources. The client affirms their personality while staying unknown on-chain to every other person by contributing the on-chain hash after making the solicitation. Cyclone Money Principal Investigation. Roman Semenov and Roman Tempest established Cyclone Money as a coin blending administration. Roman Tempest has worked in numerous blockchain DeFi projects like 0x, OV, Compound, MakerDAO, and 1inch while examining strength code and creating savvy contracts. Roman Semenov had practical experience in quantum essentials and field hypothesis. They executed Zcash open source code in the Twister Money network as another protection-centered blockchain stage. While Zcash may be an independent security coin, Cyclone Money is a secrecy blender administration, causing it to accomplish more critical fame. Torn Administration and Tokenomics, the improvement group behind the making of Cyclone Money, carried out an administration model and its usefulness where the local area individuals can decide on chain proposition with the Torn token so the convention can develop while remaining completely independent and decentralized. The complete stock of Torn tokens on send-off was 10 million Torn, which 55% was appropriated to the DAO depository, however would be open more than 5 years. 30% was shipped off the establishing engineers and early allies, and 10% was allotted to secrecy mining. The leftover 5% was circulated through an airdrop to early adopters. Cyclone Money current cost. Cyclone Money is presently worth $4.06 USD. Torn has moved 1.07% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,228,781. Cyclone Money is at present position 922 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $4,467,780 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Twister Money to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Cyclone Money value expectation 2023. Cyclone Money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Torn cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $6.09. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. averaging $5.69 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Torn is supposed to have a base worth of $4.87. Cyclone Money Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Twister Money Torn cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Torn will before long outperform $10.16. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Torn's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Torn will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $8.12 and a typical exchanging cost of $8.94. Twister Money Value Expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $14.22 and Torn may benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Torn is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $13 and a low of $12.19 in 2025. Cyclone Money Value Forecast 2026. Assuming Twister Money effectively helps market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the Torn coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Torn will be green in 2026. The Torn is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $18.28, with a base cost of $16.25 and a typical cost of $17.06. Cyclone Money Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Torn cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $21.12 by 2027, with a base cost of $20.31 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Torn has a greatest value worth of $22.34. Twister Money Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $25.19. Whenever Torn figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $26.41. Neglecting to accumulate the help Torn needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $24.37. Twister Money Value Expectation 2029. While Torn is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $28.44 and a yearly cost close above $30.47 in 2029. Cyclone Money Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Cyclone Money will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $32.50 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $34.53, averaging out at $33.31. Twister Money Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimates